Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Tuesday morning haul. And of course I was in there and my girl Lisa, hey Lisa, little Miss Scrappy, she was in there and she was just encouraging me to pick up some stuff. She was shopping too. And so but we both got to hook up. She hooked me up with some stuff, so I'm not gonna complain. And these have been out a couple times, you know, at least once every 18 months or so. I've seen these out. And these are just like the little danglers. So it's 5 of them, and it's got hope, live, dream, love, and joy. There's paper clips that you can add to any project. But the price is still good. I don't think they haven't been up past this price, so that's good. Not lighting. It's terrible. It's nighttime and it's wintertime. And I always try to get some of these gator clips, even though I don't need any, just because these things sometimes are hard to find. They cost more than what you need to pay for them. And, you know, you might lose some. It's just nice to have some in the stash. Same thing with these little teeny rings. And I love the color of these brass rings and stuff, just the little silver ones. And these are small though, so you really won't be able to hook a lot on it. Same thing with these hanger clips. You can decorate those, you know, make them like paper clips, ribbons, embellishments. And then of course I love the black ones. 10 pack of these. I should have got a little bit more because it's hard to find these, so I'll probably go back and get another bag or 2 of these, because these are about an inch and a quarter maybe, and nice size, so you can do a little mini album with that. So, and it's nice just to have the black, you know, instead of the silver. Got these enamel dots for the girl. I got the boy in the other one. I did pick up, I didn't get any of the stamps. I don't need any more stamps at the moment, but I did pick up some Boston powder. I really don't need this too much, but there's not a lot in it, but I wanted to try theirs, and it was 3-pack for $4.99. It was individually $1.89, so would have been $6 if you'd have got the same 3 colors separately, but in this pack it was $4.99, so it was definitely cheaper to get this 3-pack. I've been Boston folder to try that out, and so one of them is white, black, and you have a clear. And then I did get this one set of stamps, which again, try to decide if I want to keep it. It says, congratulations, thank you, hello, best wishes, happy birthday, just for you on your birthday, night script. And this one says, hope lots of lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a fabulous day. So these are by Chloe, Crafter's Companion. So they're cute stamps, nothing wrong with them, but I do have a lot of stamps that say that same kind of sentiment. I was trying to see if it said it came with a die with it. Oh, okay. And then the girl helped me find these, which was so cool. The 4 Quill. So they, of course, it has 200 images, icons, and words, and they come in SVG and I think ping files. Yeah, PNG. So you can use these on your Silhouette, your Cricut. You know, I would upload these right into my Cricut. You can use them on your computer. So these are some of the images. So these are icons that you can use, like few words says high five, beauty, best ever, I like you, yay, vacay, chill, hugs, kisses, happy, celebrate, hey there, I am here, hello, I love you. Then you got some images like a monkey, a deer, a pig, a fox, a whale, owl, swan, mustache, lips, a shell, a soda, a crown, arrows, cameras, bicycle, just various images and stuff. And you know, even if you don't foil these, this is still good. This is the images you can print. You got a printer. And this is Kelly Crates, and you remember Kelly Crates from the calligraphy and the stamp sets and all the calligraphy stuff they were selling. Again, this also has 200 in the SVG, PNG. So it has a lot of stuff like the days of the week, the alphabets, banners, floral images, happily ever after, you're awesome, you are loved, wishing you a happy day, beautiful day, life is beautiful. So a lot of positive sayings actually. Welcome home, breathe deeply, Dreams do come true, together forever, newlyweds, treat yourself, Mr. and Mrs. Listen to your heart patiently, pursuing peace, love, and happiness, make every day count. So it's really nice positive sentiments on this one. And like I said, a lot of this stuff you can use in your planners as well. Of course, on a cheery up card, you know, you got a lot of floral black backgrounds you can add to it too. And I know you really can't see it as well, but if you see that and you don't know what that is, you know, just stick it into your computer, and it's 200 images. Of course, you know, you can download those and save those on your computer. And so I picked up, I picked these up as well because it works with the Cricut, the Silhouette, and the Brother and the Sizzix. So it's 20 bucks. And this one is the fine tip. So I have the broad tip, I think, and the medium tip. I know I got 3 boxes: the green, the blue, and the pink. Yeah. So again, it contains the fine tip heat pan, USB heat pan, 4 cutting machine adapters, heat resistance plate, and multilingual instructions. So yeah, hopefully it will work well. But then while I was there too, Lisa tempted me. She's like, "Girl, get them." I was on the fence. My sister had talked about this. She doesn't own them, but she's, you know, when they first came out a while ago, you know, she sent me videos on them, and look pretty cool. Only thing I've seen that was really kind of negative about them, you know, they are long, you know, they're a big pen to hold, I guess, but the gradient does work from what everybody's reviews that I've seen. So these pens, which are different than other pens, they can change colors. Really, they just change the hue. They go from dark pink to light pink, you know, vice versa. They go from light pink to dark pink, but you do have to mix it each time. So it looks like, from what I can tell from the videos, a half a minute of coloring, so a minute of coloring to do that effect. But everybody says they blend just like Copics. So I don't know, I haven't opened it up because I'm still doing some research, because I just got it and I kind of peeked it on my phone to see some reviews, but I haven't had a chance to really sit down and read it before I open up and decide if I'm going to keep them. Same thing with the 4. I got it ahead of time. I haven't had time, you know, we're going to go on vacation, so I haven't had time to really sit down and watch enough videos to see whether or not I should keep this or not. But I will make my decision probably by the weekend. So anyway, ladies and gents, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.